Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GTS Coupe, stock reference number 5139. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2016. It has an FA22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, right-hand bumper flasher, front and rear, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left door has 8 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type, boot lid appears to have no damage, low wing type, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right door has light wobbles, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.